¿Qué tal, amigos? Welcome to Spanish World, to the Spanish word of the day with Mr. Briggs. Today's word is the word quietly in Spanish. How do we say this important word in the Spanish language? We are going to learn how to pronounce it and how to say it in context. But before that, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, click that red button and subscribe. I upload videos weekly. And not only that, I also have a premium membership, and for less than a cup of coffee, you can get access to perks and benefits such as downloadables, and you will also be able to join my Zoom lesson once a month. I will be posting the link in the VIP community tab, and I look forward to meeting you online. Muy bien, comencemos today's video. Quietly in Spanish is silenciosamente. 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 Make sure that you practice this aloud. Let's see a few examples as to how to use this word in Spanish. Enter quietly. Entra silenciosamente. Entra silenciosamente. Oh, what's happening with the bicycle? La bicicleta. Oh no. Somebody call la policía. Siguiente. Speak quietly. Habla silenciosamente. Habla silenciosamente. Habla silenciosamente. Which is not the same as whispering. This means speak quietly. Otro ejemplo, another example. Do it quietly. Hazlo silenciosamente. Hazlo silenciosamente. Hazlo silenciosamente. Do it quietly. Let's reinforce the pronunciation. Silenciosamente. 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 Let's see a few examples using the past tense. And please make sure you watch this video again. In that way you can reinforce what you have learned. Repetition is so important. I did it quietly. Lo hice silenciosamente. Yo lo hice silenciosamente. Una vez más. Yo lo hice silenciosamente. He walked quietly. Él caminó silenciosamente. Él caminó silenciosamente. Él caminó silenciosamente. Silenciosamente. Quietly. So, my dear amigos, you must be wondering, where have I been? I've gone back to work, so I'm currently teaching in a high school in my area. But I will start uploading videos more consistently once again this week. I've been asked to look after a few year 7s, 8, 9, and 10, so I've been absolutely flat out for this past week. But now things are finally falling into place, so I'm looking forward to preparing a few videos. And I got a new song that I have to upload. I'll see if I can do it sometime this coming week. Muy bien, my amigos, please take care, look after yourself, y nos vemos pronto. Adiós.